Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm showing you my room tour. Let's go upstairs and I'll show you. So our house is like a hotel really. There's 3 floors, don't tell anybody. I'm opening the door. Right. This is really small, hope you don't laugh. Here's my cupboard. Mickey's on top. I'm going to show you all the clothes I have. So let's open up. It's really messy in there. So let's close that door. This is the best thing really. The bed. This is a beautiful bed. And I've got a bedside table, of course you do. It's really messy. I got a kind of shelf here. It's cool, right? I've got a £900 TV. That's amazing. As you can see in the background, it's light because it's 10 o'clock in the morning. I've got a guitar, I've got all my instruments, a cupboard, my messy table, my map up there, and most of all, the roof with all these kind of cool stuff on it. My bed is emoji. I guess you're laughing emoji. We will see you in the next one. Peace out. Like this video. Hope I get a 10 million views. Peace out. See you later. Bye.